There are so many Americans out there that are seeing this, that they feel like this is an invasion.
A mass invasion.
It is an invasion of illegal immigrants.
This is an invasion.
It's the illegal invasion at our southern border.
And they're flooding into many cities in California.
This is a flood. This is an invasion, and no one's acting.
Democrats know if they keep up the flood of illegals into the country, they can eventually turn it into a flood of voters for them.
That maybe these illegal immigrants today might be future voters for them tomorrow.
Democrats who want to replace you, the American voters, with newly amnestied citizens.
Demographic replacement, and they'll do anything to make sure it happens.
Well, they're calling for open borders. They're calling for free health care, for free education, for free everything for illegal aliens.
For the first time, babies born to minority parents are now the majority.
A lot of this driven by the Hispanic immigration and birth rates.
They just have to keep the pump flowing and power will be theirs. Not a conspiracy theory, it's happening.
Outlets like fake news CNN, conspiracy TV, NBC, they have become nothing more than the propaganda arm of the Democratic Party. Gee, they sound like one another. It's like they're one mind, one heart, one body, one soul.